Now we're going to discuss Angular single page e-commerce web application. In this, like in source, in app, we created components and we created api.ts, which is related to API file, and we created some models and services. When you deep dig into this, in components, we created login, which is nothing but the login page, which we'll get while accessing the website. And in register, it's a page which you use to register with your details and your login information. And in shared folder, we have a footer, header, and navigation, which is nothing but for like every website there will be like sections. So in this we created these things as components and declared our data like what to be presented or like what to be displayed in the web browser. And if some uh, other URL, if any other URL entered, we'll get this page not found error. And shopping cart, it's created for cart which the items get updated once you click add to the cart. And cart item, it's nothing but what item it displays, like what item you added. And filters, it's a form. And product list, it just shows all the products that you added to the cart. And the main thing here is api.ts. In this we exported base URL, products URL, cart URL, and wishlist URL, where all these URLs will be used in another services in order to retrieve the data from the backend API. So when it comes to components, we just left it like default. And when it comes to models, we created cart item model and product model, which just takes the IDs and name, price, and quantity from the API and displays. And the same with products model. And the main important thing here is like a services. In services, we use services in order to transfer the data from API in the JSON object to the front end. So in this we created cart services, which is used to add the item to the cart, or push or delete the item, or update the item. We created a messenger service, which is used to send a message to the cart like this item is added. And we created product service, just display, which just helps in displaying the product. And we just created the wishlist service, which is useful to create a wish list. In app.component, we just created a container, class container, and we've just given the router outlets. In environment.ts, we've given these Firebase API keys and authentication domains. In the index, we use a style sheet so that we will get like a template, inbuilt template. Even the firebase.json is installed. In styles, we declared all the styles that we're going to use in this application. And in the db.json, we've given all our data, like what we're going to present or what we're going to see in our website. Here we added products. Here we added wish list. So that when you add any products to the wish list, it will be added here. So now we're going to run this application. ng serve. It compiled successfully. Now we're going to run JSON server. And when we go to browser, here like localhost 44200, in this we can see all these items. Where we can add now cart. And it will be static. Even though I'm refreshing, these items will not be going, as it's dedicated like a specific user. So it is a sign up form, and here is the login form. Thank you.